Are you new to synthetic indices like Boom, Crash, and Volatility 75? In this video, I'll break them down for beginners and show you how traders are using these markets to grow small accounts. Plus, I'll share where you can get free trading analysis and signals to get started right away. Synthetic indices are simulated markets designed to act like real ones, but with a key difference: they are available to trade 24/7 and aren't affected by news or economic events. For example, Boom and Crash are markets that spike randomly, perfect for scalping. Volatility indices, like V75, they move fast, giving you plenty of opportunities to catch trends. Here's why more traders are switching to synthetic indices. 1. Trade anytime, day or night. 2. Grow a small account with proper risk management. 3. No new surprises, just pure price action. To get started, open a free deriv account. Download MT5. Start practicing on a demo account before going live. And if you don't want to figure it out alone, I share free analysis and trading signals in my Telegram group daily. The link is in the description if you'd like to join. Trading synthetic indices can be a game changer if you approach it with discipline. If you learned something new today, hit the like button and subscribe for more trading tips. And don't forget to join the Telegram group below for free signals and market insights to help you trade smarter.